What's up? It's your girl Nemo, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Excuse my hair and puffy eyes. I'm filming this pretty early in the morning for me. It's like 9 o'clock, but the first few hours are always a little bit rough. I should be looking far more bright-eyed and bushy-tailed by the end of the video. Today, I'm going to be dyeing my hair using Iroiro Rose Gold. I bought this thinking it would be more pink tone, but the more I've looked up about it, I think it's going to come out more of like a orange or strawberry blonde. But I've had this for months and I've been meaning to try it, and I figure there's no time like now when my hair is super light, so it should be able to take it pretty well. I do have a little bit of green and blue left over and a little bit of purple from the pastel rainbow hair I did. I've washed my hair exactly 4 times since then. The first 2 washes were with cool water and color safe shampoo. I used Olaplex actually. And the last 2 washes have been with hot water and dandruff shampoo to try to strip it out. And this is as far as I've gotten. I am going to be trying out this Head & Shoulders Scalp Pre-Wash Mask. I just saw this when I was shopping for my groceries and was like, well, maybe that'll do something for color removing purposes. Maybe not, but we're going to find out today. I'm going to put this on, leave it on for like a few minutes. It doesn't say in the directions to leave it on, but it is supposed to be a hair mask, and I figure it can't hurt to leave it on for like 2, 3, maybe 5 minutes. I'm going to do that, come back, show you how it looks, and then start on the coloring. Okay, here it is after doing that. I don't think it did much for the blue and purple and green here. I'm just gonna roll with it. I don't know what to expect with this going over it. Looking at it, hold on, let me squeeze it out of the tube and show you what the actual color of the dye looks like. 1 second. Okay, this is how it looks out of the tube compared to the color on the tube. I also went ahead and swatched it because I wanted to see what that was going to look like, and it's like a peachy, orangish color, I guess. Super curious how this is going to look. If there's enough oranginess to it, it might actually help to cancel out some of these blue tones. I don't want to get my hopes too high though. This might look like a mess by the end of the day, so we'll see. It is a pastel color though, so I'm not too worried about it like ruining my hair or it lasting too long. It should wash out pretty quickly if I don't like it, which I'm on the fence at this point. Hopefully by the end of the video I can decide if I'm gonna like this or not. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, got it all on, and it's actually coming out a little bit purple where the blue was. Maybe there's more pink tones in it than I could tell, but it's gonna be what it's gonna be. I'm gonna be leaving this on for about 20 minutes. I don't want it to be too dark, so hopefully that won't be too long. My hair is very porous, so it does soak up color really quickly. I'm gonna rinse in cold water once that's done and be back to show you the final results. Here it is, and I feel a bit like Leo from Thundercats. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, I like it. It's not my favorite thing I've ever done, but it covered the grain really well, and everything else was already back to blonde or white, so this is how it came out on the white bits of my hair. I don't know if I'm going to stay in the same color family once I get this faded out. Hopefully it won't be too hard to fade out either, because I don't think I'm going to keep this for very long. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. I'd really love to hit 1,000 subscribers by my birthday, which is May 9th. And I think we can make that happen. If you aren't subscribed and you enjoy my videos, just hit that subscribe button. It would just really mean a lot to me. And I appreciate every one of you who have subscribed to me so far. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.